Professor Emeritus Uche Azikiwe, MFR, Enugu. I'm the widow of late Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe, the first president, the first governor general, first president of Nigeria. When I got married to him in 1973, I had retired from politics. That was after the war. And then, according to him, he said he's no more. He had done his best. He has done all he can for Nigeria. Let the younger ones continue. He's a caring and loving father. And he loves Nigeria, or in short, Africa. That's why he's called Zik of Africa. Because he started the Africanism, Pan-Africanism, when he was in the US, when he came back Ghana before coming back to Nigeria. So he is a renowned African, a renowned Nigerian, a renowned Igbo man, a renowned Onitsha man. He also got involved in Onitsha tradition. It was in 73, early 73 that he took the title Owele of Onitsha. So you see somebody who loves tradition, culture, anything about Nigeria or Africa, he values them. He's a family man. He will play with them outside here. His family unity. He said, I'm going to school, breakfast, we eat together, lunch, we eat together, dinner together. See the unity of the family. Consider that his children were now old enough. They were all gone, be on their own, adults. To have young children at that age, I think he was 69 when we got married, 1973. Yes, 69, because he was born 1904. So, to have young children at that age, you need to see. I remembered my uncles at home, how they play, and you see them coming down to that level of children. Being someone who played politics right from coming back from the US, I think that my children gave him that cycle of life. Let me go and enjoy what I should have in the past. Feeding them, taking care of them, playing with them. I got this. And to the point that if I beat them, I was brought up disciplined in a disciplined room, police barracks. So when I saw that he is to pamper, I said, no way, not for me. I will just take them to another corner down there and give them what I want to give them. And I will be there, cry, and you cry, finish before we come closer. Because if he will say, oh, leave these children alone. It's okay, it's not by beating that they can. And I was saying in my mind, you don't know what is happening. I know that without my father's discipline, I don't know if I would have been what I am now. So I appreciate disciplining children. After having my second child, 1975, I gained admission into the university. He was very supportive. Being the fact that my secondary education was through his sponsorship, his scholarship. When I told him, he said, go ahead. If you want to go, of course, I support women education. I support women liberation and so on and so forth. So I took the common entrance. I think we were the last set that took individual common entrance to universities before we had this jam overall. So he was very supportive. For PhD, oh my God, Uche Azikiwe, PhD. You know, he was someone who he appreciates one's effort. When you try, he will appreciate you, and that will push you to do more, to go more, to go further.